Ka St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing, kabade ka Shilam Aji Hikai ki Samla Pule Nurse, kabadan har Umtrew Riboy District. Mentaga sngi ka penkutno eka Nurses Week, ni katayo lekmen juki Samla Pule Nurse, kabade ru shibenta ka jing Rakhe ka International Nurses Day, kabalo ju Rakhe ka kharar tarik jamang. Hakate ka jing Rakhe ka Nurses Week, nakliang ki Samla Pule Nurse, kila shibenta ru haki program baper baru shitayo lenter. Halor kapang, Our Nurses, Our Future, The Economic Power of Care, ha kabagakong Ivory Cardoid Assistant Director, Nursing Directorate of Health Services, kalawan marshimenta kum kakongsan. Barkakong Kari Lengdo, Nursing Superintendent Sankir Shillong kum kasembut kongsan. Ha kajindon lang kakong Iban Rilin Rani, Principal ka St. Joseph's Academy of Nursing, bat kiwe.
Okay. And the second prize goes to any guesses? Phenomenal, Charlie Chaplin. And the second prize, I'm your one. So ladies, choose life.
Which most of the young nurses will have. I am also speaking on my own experience. When I started nursing, I did have that thought, why did I choose this? Is it good for me? Will it be worthy or worth it at the end of the course? But I just want to remind you that whatever feeling you have right now, it's okay to have those feelings. With time, you will understand. By the time you reach your third year, your internship years, you will understand that it's very important. You were chosen to be in this profession. Other skills, the professional skills that you as a nurse were supposed to do, but you also carry other skills like communication. Communication is one of the important skills that you need to have. Nowadays, we don't communicate anymore. We don't talk anymore. Even in the family, again, with your family, with your loved ones, with your siblings, the communication is not very, some of the houses might have that communication problem. So we need to start communicating with each other. Because we used to say, I want to be a nurse because I want to help them with my words. But you have to remember that you have to understand where you are also.
The unsung heroes of our healthcare system. The theme of this year's International Nurses Day, Our Nurses, Our Future, the economic power of care. It resonates deeply with the profound impact nurses have on both our present and our future. And I would like to thank Ms. Ïaka for highlighting us on the theme of this year's Nurses Day. And all of us know that nurses are the heart and soul of healthcare. The heart and soul of healthcare. They work tirelessly, often under challenging circumstances, to ensure the well-being and comfort of our patients. Their dedication, compassion, and expertise not their dedication. Our dedication, because all of us here are nurses, our dedication, compassion and expertise. What is the meaning of expertise? That means we are experts in our own field. Each of these men will make a countless difference in the number of lives that we meet every day. But in the present day scenario, we find that the role of nurses extends far beyond the bedside.